hardware, the two components are there, hardware and software. The hardware runs well with the proper software. When we have gadgets, electronic gadgets, iPad or your laptop, mobile phone, periodically we are asked to upgrade the software. Why? Because hardware will run without crashing. We'll get more out of the hardware. Periodic upgrade is done when the hardware is no longer is compatible to the software. Then they say your hardware is not compatible, you have to get the new hardware. Hardware is discarded, software is ahead of the game, keeps the hardware moving up. We are upscaling the hardware because hardware is if it is not compatible to the software, we will get a new hardware. This applies to our human body also. Human body is the hardware. Hardware, having just a human hardware is not a great thing. What differentiates you is the software. Just having a human birth itself is not great. Hardware itself is not great. You need what type of software you have. Accordingly, you will get out of the hardware. The human body, like in the phone, we constantly upgrade. In the hardware also, we have to continuously upgrade ourselves to keep ahead of the game, to get best out of the game. When you are traveling, Google Maps gives the direction we put on the map where we have to go, navigation map, and we need to have a goal in the life. In the Google Map, when you are traveling, it gives us an advanced warning. This road is congested. Do you want to take an alternative route? Alternative route, and prompts gives the advance warning. In the life also, you need to have a destination in the mind where I'm heading, whether I'm taking you have to have a navigation software installed in you. Navigation software, is my road is blocked? Am I getting stuck in my journey, or is there an alternative route? When we have the right software installed, then we can navigate safely in our life. If I do not upgrade the software, body is like a asana and pranayama is for the body, software for the mind. Body is like a vehicle. I am a traveler. I need to travel long distance and should have a destination in my mind. If my car is not good, this vehicle is not good, I don't know where I'm heading in my life. Like in the transport, in the car, I'm traveling on the road, I don't know where I'm going. I will become a nuisance for co-travelers. I don't know whether I'm turning here. Other travelers, they start honking at me. I'm a nuisance for them. If I'm breaking down often, I'm a nuisance for other travelers also. To travel safely, to travel gently, to not to become a nuisance for others, you have to upgrade the software and hardware so that you are value for the co-travelers. Otherwise, you are blocking the traffic behind you, blocking the generations to come, blocking the other people also. Upgrade the hardware and software. In the scriptures, they talk about 3 things are very rare to get. One is human birth. Second one, to have a goal where I have to reach. Destination. I need to have a destination. People having the destination in that mind is very difficult. The third one, getting a right teacher who directs you to the destination. Krishna, not to move your legs, steady. It's asana. It's a destination and guru who takes us to the destination, who points us to the destination. These three are very rare to get. Getting the body itself, after it's not easy to get a human body. It is not most of us, we don't know where we are heading in life. Having a clarity in the direction, it is another one. How to get there? One who motivates you to point to the direction and motivates you, finding a teacher, guru. It's extremely difficult. That is what in the scriptures again and again talks about. And to motivate ourselves, I touched upon last week, atha yoga anushasanam. You need to have a discipline in your life. Indisciplined life, if you are embarking on yoga, if you are not disciplined, yoga is not for you. Without discipline, you can't achieve anything, even in a professional career or in your studies, whatever area you are. If you do not have a discipline, you can't achieve anything. The discipline is a must. Atha yoga anushasanam. Shasana is required. Shasana means rules and regulations. You should have a routine in your life. You should have a discipline in your life. Shasana should be there. Anushasana means you have to have the rules not to instruct others alone. You should have a rules for yourself also. Before you tell others, have a rule for yourself. Anushasanam, atha, tata. Tata means all pervading. Is the highest. All alphabets in all languages starts with A or A. A is the goal, highest. Tata, that highest, it can be approached from many dimensions, many directions, not the only one track. Whatever, so many, he pervades everywhere. Tata yoga. Yoga, align what is your makeup, what is your interest with the highest possibility. Yesterday I touched upon. Whatever is your interest, exploit that one to the highest possible limit. Highest possible. Our Laurent is interested in chocolate making. Now he is exploiting that one, how to become a best chocolate maker. Whatever you are, try to become a best in your field. Atha yoga anushasanam. And the second one, tti-nirodhaḥ. If you want to become a best in whatever area you are in, you must reduce the noise in your life. Our life is filled with so much of noise, so much of distraction, so many people we entertain in our life, create so much of noise, we lose the direction in our life. You have to suppress the noise so that you can tune yourself to the higher possibility. Atha tti-nirodhaḥ. Patanjali second sutra, he is talking about mitigate the noise in your life. Mitigate the noise, chitta-vritti. So you are entertaining so many things in your life. Nirodhaḥ, you stop that one. Chitta-vritti nirodhaḥ. You have to minimize. In the Mahabharata, it's a beautiful story. Arjuna was a pet student of Dronacharya. Dronacharya gave a task to students and to hit a target located far away, and asked students to discharge arrows. He started asking all the students, what are you seeing? They were saying, I can see the tree, I can see I can see you, I can see others, I can see everything, and so much of options. Before they tried, Dronacharya said, go away, you are not fit. Then when they called Arjuna, what do you see? He said, I see only the target. I see nothing else. He asked, do you see me? Sorry, I am not seeing you. Do you see him? No, I am not seeing anyone. I am seeing only the target. Then he said, okay, release the arrow. It hit the target. Tti-nirodhaḥ. You need that type of the determination, goal in your life. Then only you will hit the target. Not becoming a generalist, you won't hit the target. You have to become a specialist. So much of single pointed, you have come this far in your life. You have moved away from India in the anticipation of achieving great things in your life. You have come up to here. Now you are squandering your life in a whiling away time. How silly is that one? I was telling Prashant, you have come here and up to here, you have not come here for whiling away time. Tag along with me. Let us achieve the great things in life. Let us achieve the great things. Tti-nirodhaḥ. Yoga says not to while away time with ordinary pursuit. Achieve the great things. Tti-nirodhaḥ. And Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about Yatro uparamate chittam niruddham yoga sevaya yatra chaivatmanatmanam pashyan atmani tushyati yatra uparamate chittam niruddham. The tti-nirodhaḥ, Sri Krishna defines more elaborately. Yatro uparamate chittam. When you have the goal, higher aspiration in your life, higher things in your life, mind won't get swayed away. Why I am entertaining so many things? My vision in the life is ordinary. My goal in the life is ordinary. Goal is small. My vision also small. Life is filled with so much of noise. Uparamate chittam. Start taking delight in higher possibilities in your life. Niruddham yoga sevaya. Through yoga, suppress all the noises by having a higher goal in your life. Then Dronacharya, you'll find a teacher like Dronacharya. Okay, now release the arrow. Undoubtedly, you'll hit the target. Yoga makes you to bring out the best in you. Lie down.